What is the difference between she is sensible and she is sensitive? Hi, I am Aditya, your fun learning coach who's going to take you on a journey to become a confident communicator. So let's start our journey. In this course video, we are going to talk about sensible versus sensitive. So first, let's start with sensible. The word sensible is an adjective, which means to have a good understanding of a situation. For example, Kiran gives sensible advice. This means that Kiran gives advice based on a good understanding of the situation. And now, let's talk about sensitive. The word sensitive is an adjective, which means to have a lot of feelings. For example, teacher encouraged the students to be sensitive and artistic. This means the teacher encouraged the students to have more feelings. Word sensitive also means easily upset. For example, Aman is sensitive about his hair fall. This means that Aman gets easily upset about his hair fall. The word sensitive also means easily influenced, changed or damaged. For example, Shikha avoids using perfumed soap on her sensitive skin. And now, let's see what is the difference between she is sensible and she is sensitive. When we say she is sensible, this means she has a good understanding of the situation. Whereas when we say she is sensitive, this means she has a lot of feelings. Or else she can easily be upset, influenced or changed. Now you try and tell which one is correct. Alia is always upset. This means Alia is sensitive or Alia is sensible. Yes, Alia is sensitive is the correct answer. Time to practice what we have learned today. Choose the correct option in the given sentences. You can pause the screen and answer it. These are the correct answers on your screen. You can check your answers. So this was the difference between sensible versus sensitive. I hope you will not make these mistakes again. Similarly, there are many other common mistakes which we make. Want to know about them? Then you should watch my next course video. Till then, keep learning and keep shining. To start speaking with confidence, download the PlanetSpark app. The link is in the description below.